Hello students, in this video I am going to take a new topic in the area of fourth chapter integrated marketing communication. The topic is the role of marketing communication. What is marketing communication? This area we have already discussed in the previous classes. What is marketing communication? Marketing communication is nothing but the voice of the company and what the company wants to communicate to the ultimate consumers. Many a times it will be more than just to the consumer, it could be about the companies to outside partners like other business organizations or some others. It could be communicating relationship with existing customers or start a business with new customers. More or less, it's a way of creating a dialogue with your business partners. The business partners doesn't have your business suppliers and your customers. It will be treated as your business partners. From a typical business to consumer relationship and marketing communication are used to actually enhance the relationship or strengthen the loyalty and also intended to increasing the value of customer to the company. So the marketing communication means we have to pursuing the customers for purchasing a product. In simple way, how to define or how to describe marketing communication? The marketing communication is the simple concept in the area of integrated marketing communication. What is marketing communication? It's a communication technique or using different kinds of communication activities for the purpose of pursuing the customers for purchasing the product of a particular company. That's a simple definition for marketing communication. Here, Lucy defined marketing communication can be described as all the messages and media you deploy to communicate with the market in order to reach your target audience. So this is the definition given by Lucy. According to him, he said that marketing communication is a media or it's a kind of messages passing their customers for achieving the target audience. In simple way, what is marketing communication? Marketing communication means we have to using different kinds of marketing communication techniques for pursuing the customers for purchasing the particular product of a company. That's known as marketing communication. The next one, what is the role of marketing communication? The marketing communication plays an important role in the area of marketing. So the effective marketing communication tool will helps to increasing the sales of the company. Even if the sales increases, it will also leads to increasing the value of the company or it will helps to increasing the reputation of the company. So the role of marketing communication is very important in all over the business organization. So we are moving on the next topic or our today's topic or today's section, that's the role of marketing communication. The first role of here is an example of Three Idiots marketing strategy. They are using these kinds of marketing strategy. The first role of marketing communication, the main role of marketing communications are brand equity, provide product information, leads to purchase, it's a voice of the company, and the last one, customer equity. So these five are the main role of a marketing communications in an each and every organization. So the first role is it is the voice of the company. Making communication is the purpose of its voice of the company. So it means represent the voice of the company and its brands. Marketing communication represent the voice of the company and the brand of the company. The goal is to stimulate a dialogue that will leads to a succession of purchase. So the marketing communication is the voice of the company and the brand of the and its brand also. And next one, it contribute to customer equity. The marketing communication helps to contribute customers equity. It means by which a firm can establish a dialogue and build a relationship with customers. We are applying marketing communication techniques. It will helps to increasing the relationship between the customer and the business organization, and it also contribute to customer equity. So the customer equity means which a firm can establish a dialogue or a proper channel between or relationship between the customer and the business organization. It will leads to or it will helps to contribute the customers equity. Then third one, contribute to brand equity. By creating brand awareness and brand image. What is brand awareness? We have to be aware when a company have to launching a product into the market. First of all, the marketing team have to give an awareness of that particular product, that is known as brand awareness. And also the brand image means when we providing awareness of that particular brand and that particular product, it will create brand image among the customers. So contribute to brand equity means by creating brand awareness and brand images in customers' memories, every brand delivers an impression that can strengthen or weaken a customer's view of a company. The next one, it leads to purchase. The marketing communication also helps to increasing the purchase also. They boost sales, strengthen brand loyalty, and act as a catalyst for business growth. When we give the marketing communication helps to increasing the sales of the company. The marketing communication plays an important role in the business organization. We have to be using different kinds of marketing communication techniques. It will helps to increasing the sales of the company. When the sales of the company increasing, automatically it leads to increasing the goodwill or reputation of the company, or it will increasing the value of the company. So the marketing communication plays an important role in the case of increasing the purchase also. So the next one, provide product information. Provide product information. The companies can tell or show consumers how and why a product is used, by whom, when and where. Consumers can also learn how makes the product and what the company and brand stands for. The marketing communication provide the product information also. So this is the main role of marketing communication. So what are the main role of marketing communication? The main role of marketing communication can be broadly classified as 5. The first one, voice of the company. Second one, increasing the customer equity, increasing the brand equity, and provide product information. And the last one, it leads to increasing the purchase also. So these are the main role of marketing communication in each and every business organization. We have to be applying different kinds of marketing communication techniques for increasing the marketing strategies of the business organization. When the marketing is helps to increasing the sales of the company, the sales were increasing, it will automatically leads to increasing the value or reputation of the company. So I'm already says the marketing communication plays an important role in each and every business organization. So thank you for watching this video.